Hello everyone, this is Santhej from Taskify Labs, and today in this video, I'll be teaching you how to build an eBay product research and a product scrapper. Basically, first of all, let me quickly show you what is the output that you can expect. So this is the output you can expect. You will actually give a keyword, and in fact, here I have given the keyword as impact driver, and you'll give a keyword like this, and it will extract all the data for that keyword from eBay. So all the products related to that keyword. So their selling price, then discounts, then who's the seller, what is the seller feedback, item ID, all these details along with the market summary. So in fact, in my case, I have given two keywords. These are the two keywords I have given. And as you can see, it shows me the listings found, the minimum price, average price, median price, maximum price, what are the units, how much units were sold, then who is the best seller and listings by top seller and the currency. So you get a very brief overview, the market overview. This will actually help you to research more about the product and decide your prices and marketing strategy. So this is what we'll be building in this video. And this actually comes as a n8n workflow. This is the complete n8n workflow. As you can see, this is the complete n8n workflow. I've given the complete guide here. So step 1, step 2, step 3, everything I have written here. And this is basically how you do it. So let me quickly go back. So what are we going to do? So the main problem is if you want to do product research, you have to open all these tabs, different tabs, then check all the prices on a daily basis. That won't work out. That's not an easy option at all. You're guessing the demand. It doesn't scale. See, if you have if you have 10 or 20 products, this manual research and all won't work. And before I show you how it works, let me quickly tell you this n8n workflow, whatever I'm going to teach you, is available in my school community. So you can get this workflow for free from my school community. Or if you want to actually customize this workflow and make it customized for your business, you can always hire me. The link to hire me is given in the description of this video. Or if you want, you can always get in touch with me on LinkedIn as well. So yeah, as I told you, there are two tabs. So tab 1 would contain all the listings and tab 2 would contain the market summary. That is how I have designed this. Okay. So 5 ways people actually use this. So dropship sourcing, then price benchmarking, demand validation, competitor tracking, and retail arbitrage. And you can actually set it up on a schedule. So every day, if you want to run this on a daily basis, you can set it to run it on a schedule as well. And yeah, that's basically everything. And let me quickly show you the pricing as well, how much it would cost you. So if you're tracking 2 products or 2 keywords, and let's say there are 60 listings, it will actually cost you somewhere for a single run, it will cost you around $0.22. Okay. And when you sign up for a new Apify account, see, Apify is the thing that we'll be using for scrapping. When you sign up for that, you'll actually get $5 in free credit. So that's almost 2,700 eBay listings. And this step is a manual step. And let me zoom it so that you can actually understand. And the workflow that I'm giving you, see, if you are there in my school committee, you can get this workflow for free. After that, all you have to do is go to n8n. And for people who do not know n8n is something that you can use to automate any of your business tasks. So the link to sign up to an n8n is also given in the link in the description of this video. So once you have this workflow, all you have to do is go to your n8n account and click on create workflow. And if you click on create workflow, you will be greeted with a blank workflow. All you have to do is click here, click on import from file and select the file you just downloaded from my school community. And if you want to build this by yourself, and I'll actually show that to you as well. So let me quickly zoom in. So this test webhook, I think we can actually delete that. And here there will be trigger manually. That is what you should add it here. So in my case, I have already added it here. And next we have a set, edit field, set node. We'll add it here. So this is the node where all your settings live. So whatever is the keywords you want to research, you can give it here. And next, how much maximum items you want, what should be the sorting. And if you want to scrap from ebay.com, give it here. If you want to scrap from eBay's any other country-based site, you can give the domain here. And yeah, minimum price, maximum price. If you want only buy it now, you can select it here. If you want to exclude all the sponsored product, you can select it here. So that's basically how you set it up here. Next, you need to create, you need to create a sheet like this, right? A nicely formatted sheet like this. So for that, I'll just click on here, click on sheet. And there's an option called create spreadsheet. Add that node here. Okay, that is a node that we'll be adding here. And if you take this, see in credentials, you have to click on new credentials. And if you're using n8n's premium version, that is from which you buy from n8n, then you will have a button like this, sign in with Google. You just need to click on sign in with Google, connect your n8n account, and everything is done. And if you're using the self-hosted version of n8n, you have to get the client ID and client secret. So that's entirely out of the scope of this video. Again, it's a very simple step. You can just search in Google or YouTube for how to connect your Google Sheet to n8n, and it will give you the exact steps. In fact, I'll give you a link to the another video which shows you how to connect your Google Sheet account to n8n. So once you add the client ID and client secret, if you're using the self-hosted version, the sign in with Google button will be enabled, and you can just sign in and connect it. So that is basically it. And as for the title, see, I'll just zoom it so that you can actually see this. So what you can do is you can actually take a screenshot of this and ask ChatGPT to convert it into text and add it. And as for the eBay scrap, that would be an HTTP node. Just search for HTTP. So HTTP request, add it here, then connect this node to here. And here, what you have to do is post. Method should be post. And the URL should be this one. Again, see, this is the URL. And for people who do not know about Apify, see, this is what is meant by Apify. Let me just quickly open their site. Yeah. Apify is a site with a lot of actors. Actors basically mean scrappers. So you have Google Maps scrappers, you have Instagram scrappers, you have TikTok scrappers. So these are some things that will actually allow you to scrap data from internet. See, normally when you're scrapping data from internet, you have to be concerned about the proxy. Otherwise, you will get blocked and stuff, right? So Apify handles all these problems for you. They have a ready-made set of actors which you can start using from today. So if you sign up using the link in my description, you'll actually get $5 in free credits. And after that, just go to console. All you have to do is go to settings. And from settings, you have to get your API key. So this default API key would be all you have to do is just copy that. And if you come back, see, in credential type, predefined credential type, and credential type should be bearer authentication. And here you need to click on create new credentials and just paste your bearer token here, the token which we copied from Apify. And here the content send body JSON using JSON. And again, this part also, if you want, you can just take a screenshot of this and ask ChatGPT to convert it into text and add it. Otherwise, everything is available in my school community. So that is basically how the eBay scraper works. So here you don't have to know anything. Everything would be handled by this eBay scraper. Next is the format listings. Again, it's a code node. So you can just search for code node, add it here. And as for the code here, I have actually created something. I hope this is visible for all of you. Again, you can take a screenshot of this, ask ChatGPT to give this code and add it in your n8n instance if you're doing everything manually. Next, again, we need to add a Google Sheet. Search for sheet. Then here you have append a row in the sheet. Okay, that option you have to select and select the credentials which you connect. Then append row. And here the ID should be this one. And map automatically let Google Sheets format. Select these options. And again, building market summary. Again, it is a code node. I'll show you the code as well so that if you want, you can just take screenshot. Okay. So this is the entire code. See, this is basically formatting it to match the display that you are seeing it here in the eBay research. So it will format all the data in a way you want. Now you can just take a screenshot of this. This is the entire code that I'm using here. And again, after that, again, append summary, add the append node. And I am just adding whatever that I have built from this node. I'm just doing it here. Then create result sheet. Everything is same as the last one. And see, when you're using this, see, every instruction I have given it here. See, step 1, what to do in step 1. Then step 2, what to do in step 2. Then step 3, how much this cost, and troubleshooting. And every single detail is actually given here. Okay, so even my LinkedIn profile is available here. So you can always get in touch with me on LinkedIn if you have any doubts. So if you want me to customize this workflow for you, you can always get in touch with me. I hope all of you like this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the future videos. Thank you.